there, this is LJ, and I know absolutely nothing about sailboats, but last month I got a free 36-foot Columbia sailboat. It's about 45 years old, and I'm in the process of renovating it. You've probably seen my other video where I took possession of it and I moved it to a dry storage, RV and boat storage, and I've been working on it. So here today, what I'm going to show you is how to assemble a Barient number 10 winch. When I first got started, my winch looked like this. It's all green, corroded, and as you can see, it's really sticky. It does not move anymore. Okay, this is one that I haven't done yet. Okay, the next video I'm gonna actually take this one apart and I'm gonna show you how it comes apart. But as of always, I do things a little bit backwards. So this right here is the one that I took apart. I cleaned it. It's stainless steel. I used Barkeeper's soft scrub and I used the Scotch-Brite, and as you can see, it's really nice and it's shiny. It looks a lot better than this one right here, as you may see. Okay, so first things first, okay, we've got the base of it right here, all right, and then we have the center shaft. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit of oil on the top right here and on the bottom. Take the brush and we're just going to brush it right around, just like so. Okay. And then we're going to take the center shaft and we're going to put it into the base. That's just like this. And then on the bottom right here, the shaft sticks out, and then you have this little snap ring, retaining ring, that you have to install in a groove right around the shaft right here. Okay, so just place it in here. It snaps right into place. You have a small screwdriver handy, and we're just going to basically pop it right into place, just like so. Okay, and once that's in place, it will hold your shaft right in there. Okay, just like so. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the bearings, and notice I had cleaned all of these up really nice. There's a few different ways that you can clean it. What I used was WD-40 and just let it soak and then brushed it off, and this one was one really big mess. So next thing that you want to do, you want to take your Harkin winch grease, okay, and I haven't opened this one yet. What you want to do is put some of the brush, okay, just like so. You don't want to take too much. From everything that I have seen is that you really don't want to cover this too much with grease. You can see a wear pattern where the bearing was before, right? And I am just going to move it all over here, just like so. This bearing is going to slide right on top of it, just like so. And it's going to spin just like this. Okay. Put this down. not supposed to excessively cover it. I'm just going to take just a little bit and go around the whole bearing right here, because when it goes to the boat, I'm going to have to take it right back apart, and I'll probably add just a little bit more. So spread it all over it. Just like that. Okay. Now, where are pawls? These are called pawls right here, and a spring just dropped out, but it's okay because it is an old spring. And I have a brand new spring right here. So I'm going to put that in the pawl, just like this. And then you can see it. I have the spring in back where there's a long leg and a short leg. Guess they're about the same size. So what you want to do is you want to pinch the spring right here, and then you just basically place it right into right there. Okay. That one just a little bit. Have that small screwdriver handy. It's a brand new spring, so okay, there we go. Okay. Take another one. I have inspected them for cracks and wears. This one, these right here are in pretty good shape, considering that it is 45 years old, which I'm sure that these are the original ones. Okay. This one over here on the other side. Go right there. And with these, you do not want to grease them. You want to take some oil, some special winch oil, okay? And all what you're going to do is you're going to dab just a little bit on the top right there to lubricate it, and it'll work its way down into it. Alright, so the next thing that we're going to do, typically I would grease the inside right here. I'm not going to do it because I have to take it back apart, and I don't want it to be covered in grease when I install it on the boat. So what you want to do is push the pawls in, alright, and then you just basically slide this right over the top. Got that bearing in there, so it's a little bit tight. When I had dry fitted this the first time, it went in nice and good. Resistance from that bearing. Okay, so it fell down. Now what I'm going to do is just take the screwdriver and push that little pawl in a little bit. And there it goes. Alright? So now, the next step is that the upper ones need to go in. Upper pawls, that's what these are called. Okay, the new spring in here. I should have been paying attention to the direction. But you know what? Silly me, like I said, the novice. We're going to install these before we put this on right here. And basically what you want to do is you want to install these pawls in the opposite direction of the bottom. I lost the screen. Sorry, this is so long. I'm still on. It's my new camera, the GoPro, so you're actually seeing these in HD. Nice and tight, as the Germans say. Gut and tight. And then again, you want to take some of your oil. Just put a little dab. It's right there on the top. You don't want to grease the balls. So now I'm going to do this again. Squeeze this down. Push the upper pawls in while you're pushing down. And there we go. And that's the way it works. Then you have left your top cover right here. So then you just put that on right there. Fit. And then you got another snap ring. You're basically going to just right in there. Small screwdriver again, straight slot. Fit that right back down into the groove. And boom, there you go. Now you have a nice rebuilt, lubricated Barient number 10 winch. You hear that action right there. And it looks nice and clean compared to this one right here. So in my next video, I will take this one apart for you and we'll inspect how dirty it is and what needs to be done. Thank you so much for watching. And I know there's always a critic out there, so leave your comments.